Right now, vlog world, we are here and we don't know what going for the bourbon in the building over here, so real producer, you know what I mean, real artist. And we have one place over one part. We have Mr. What that name?
I'm that nigga.
Yeah, Mr. Papaya. Yo, the man eat one whole full papaya. Yeah, see you long. So right now we're there. I got broke my diet. I consume chicken for the first time today. You're mad, yeah, look at that they want here. And meat eater them in and they love the chicken.
Oh, you Ackee and saltfish dog.
And that's your chicken?
Yeah.
That sound better?
Wait, we have a show.
Alright, yeah, we are gonna make a call for that. But if anything we just season up, it's not put in the fridge.
No,
yeah.
Jerk it with some white rice.
Jerk it with some white rice.
Can't jerk it tomorrow with some white rice. Wow. Is it good?
Man want to do Ackee and saltfish. That's probably Ackee and saltfish.
Bro, why not is Ackee and saltfish in the hand?
What? What do you mean this man here cook a big old pot?
Breadfruit.
He serves the whole day.
We are going to pick Ackee off one real tree.
Yeah.
Not the tin Ackee. So I saw we thought one cook the real thing, like breadfruit and Ackee and saltfish.
Yeah.
So we have to make a phone call to see if you Ackee tree.
Right. A beer.
Beer.
So you have that roasted breadfruit today? Yeah, roasted breadfruit now.
No, I'll put it on the grill out that door.
No, the grill out that door too much. You can't put it on. More for me fried, you know.
Ackee pizza. How you roast it then fry the bread? Well, the Ackee pizza.
Ackee pizza can't eat for dinner, dog. Yeah. Well, he can, but you go on food, dog.
It's fried breadfruit and saltfish, but I eat that for dinner. Yeah.
So,
you roast them.
You know for roast breadfruit? Alright, vloggers, so they traverse them, just make a flex, then come back. The man them don't know where they go pick breadfruit, Joe plum, koya. One bag of hand pick, well.
Yeah, hand pick Ackee, yeah.
We have to go, well, me want to say we, because we're not supposed to do this. No, pick out the Ackee and cut off, take out the head and pick out the. We don't know if we do them something. You know if we do it? You used to sell Ackee at market? Me ask you. Me used to sell Ackee at roadside. One summer me sell Ackee and Guinea port at roadside one time. Yeah man, country me come from, you know. One day, one son, me remember me pick, me have two big Ackee trees in my yard. One day me never do it. Don't spread it. This a man here go make red fruit, then I know if you cut. When you cut and cross in it?
Yes sir.
I cut out the star. This a man here bourbon I tell the man, but you know if you cut out no in it. Like he ever roast breadfruit yet. Travis I cut out the little round part bourbon I say man I waste the breadfruit. The stem, you know. And a country come from, you know. The stem. Then no, so you take out the stem. You not just pull out the stem. I walk to bourbon, dog.
Yo, you can't do it one way.
Look what my name bring back one bag of Ackee. Now me have to go. You know how long me not do this something, dog?
Food that tastes better. Because you can't want them. You don't want the food that tastes better. So. Food that tastes better. So.
Watch him. The man have broken teeth and him donut.
Donut? Joe plum.
Joe plum if you say. Donut there for my. Go buy donut.
Chef up the pot. I'll link back with another little more.
Oh, Chabas a roasted breadfruit. Me not nothing for doing it. Me no want none.
Right.
A white heart. A white heart breadfruit. No, me not broccoli.
What's going on?
Yo, so who buy bread?
I buy everything.
Peg.
You said that tastes nice.
Yeah, bad man, peg bread. Hardo, peg bread. No, alright, so me they done already. Put out chicken because I go do chicken for them. Nobody want no chicken. So now me done thaw out them already. Me have to clean them up and season them and actually put in a fridge because it a go waste. So I guess that me I go do right now. deal with them chicken and put in the fridge, and then pick out them ackee and put them for scald, breadfruit and roast already, and all of them something less. So I do all of that and link on the back. Mad move. How far you in the picnic ackee? Where one?
We're going to go to the yard.
I don't wanna be caught up inside your self-righteous symphony. I would rather let this go than to bring it up again. But everyone I know, they're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me in. I'm not a mark, barely your friend. Drowning in water, I lend you my hand. Falling the level, release my regret. Is this all you wanted? It's all in your head.
Hello. So right now vlog grill, I jeez them out the door. I consume my Joe plum. Remember like why all people don't know the style, all people know it. The country I come from, so I know it. Joe plum with sugar. My camera battery blink right now, that's not a good look. My front teeth, they're not so strong as one time. Bad. I should do it with black pepper and salt instead of sugar. But I consume this and link on the back.
They're afraid of their own skin, with nothing left to show. We're afraid of where we've been. You gotta let me in.
Yo my G's, Chabas and Bourbon are the two worst person for send go shop. We say we are going to do ackee and saltfish. We send Chabas and Bourbon go store go buy everything to make it. When them come back, no ackee, no onion. So now them say alright, cook the ackee and cook the ackee without no saltfish. We can do it so now for you saltfish you just go be ackee. You know go be ackee and saltfish. I don't cook. Now the man in roast breadfruit, still how this I push on this. Bourbon are coming now. See there? Them have to go back on the road now, go buy oil. Because they roast the breadfruit and I go fry it. No oil. No oil. Now them have to go back to the shop. And I bet when them go to shop, them probably come back without no oil. And the oil are the only thing them have go out there for go buy. So breadfruit them done roast. All me I go do is just cut up them here now and put them in that car. Them say them want it fried, so that me I go do. Right now I cut up my breadfruit them. Just cut them up so them ready for fry now. Still I wait for Chabas them to come back with the oil. Maybe have some dumpling in the fridge from yesterday. Me slice up them there too. So we are gonna do some fried dumpling and fry breadfruit. You know what I mean? Ackee without saltfish, cause they forgot to buy the saltfish, so I sauce ackee this and just, you know, ital is vital. So vlog world right about now, me there and me actually there in my room. Me edit laptop right there, so me about to want my final cut and edit. So yeah, it was just a little chill there as you can see. I just go upload this, so I edit this right now. I got this with my record right now. I did to the computer because I have all I file them to the computer already. So I just go up my final cut, dash everything to it, dash the file to it too, and just edit the vlog there so I can upload it for tomorrow. Yeah, cause when I get this tomorrow, I want to do this actually tomorrow. So if it's safe, when I go get the vlog yeah Wednesday. If my computer still hooked up, so if you know go as good, when I get this Thursday. So either way, when I go get a vlog Wednesday or Thursday, but hopefully Wednesday. So yeah, man, I go just edit this right now. Chabas and Burban them downstairs right now. So we just go edit this and then go downstairs. So blessings and respect, uppity. Again, you know, my G's, mad move.